We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this short and simple video, I would like to show how you can switch off OPPO smartphone. So the easiest way to do that is by holding the side power button simultaneously with the volume up key, and once you will hold them for a total of a second or so, the power off menu will appear. So from here, in order to, well, shut your phone down or power it off, you will need to move this slider to the bottom or to power off option like that. And as you can see, the phone gets switched off right away. Alrighty, so that will be it for this quick video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.